Hello everyone, and today I have made a trapped chest that runs on redstone. Well, actually this isn't really redstone, but it's a red wire, so that kind of counts as redstone, I guess. I covered it in aluminium foil tape because I thought it made it look cool, and I was going to go for ender chest, and then I realized, maybe not. Anyway, this is the chest. It's got a little hole in here for the redstone line to come out of the chest in case it's opened, and that will send a signal, and we just open it here. We can open the chest. We've got some redstone wires coming out of the chest, as it were, and this is the little redstone circuit which causes it to have a signal. So basically what happens is when the chest lid is down, this little peg is compressed, and when this little peg is compressed, it keeps this little circuit open, which is just a peg with some aluminium foil and some copper wire. So basically, as this chest is down, the signal is going to be open. Also, I've got another little feature that was originally a mistake, but now I've realized it's actually really good, because if they open the chest really fast in a hurry, there's no way to actually close it. It will just jam because it's built wrong. So if they're trying to close it like they never looked inside it, it'll just stay open and you'll know that someone's been in. And you need like a hammer or something to knock it back into place so that it falls down. And when it does fall down, it will keep the circuit open. So currently, as the trap chest is open, as the trap chest is closed, the circuit is open. So these two things are not going to conduct electricity. But as soon as someone opens the chest, these will complete the circuit, and you could have whatever redstone trap you want set up, or maybe like an alarm or something, or an alert gets sent to your phone with one of those little ESP335, whatever they are. Anyway, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this yet, but this is just my little redstone trap chest that I've made.